Hi guys, so today I just wanted to pop on and do a quick video. I've recently subscribed to something called SIMPLYCOOK, which basically they send you like the spices and stuff to make ingredients, and they give you like the recipes for them. It was a friend that recommended me to it, and my first box was £1 with free delivery. You can sign up for these every week if you wanted to, and you can pick 4 different recipes each time, or you can pick monthly. I've picked monthly because obviously I just want to try and see what this box is like. So yeah, so this is how it has come. Obviously I've just ripped my address off there. So this is how it comes. So, oh gosh, it is packed with goodies. So, see if I can lift that up. So this is what's inside the box. You can download the app, which I have, and you can do it direct from the app as well. I have got a link down in the description. So take a look at that, and you should get your first box for £1. So, got some little welcome leaflets. So it just tells you about like the app, like the ingredients and what you get. Developed by the leading chefs. So yeah. So it says here, refer your friends and earn rewards. Free box for you, discount for your friends. Share your unique code, which I have done down below. So these are the 4 recipes that I picked for this month. So I have Thai green curry, and then on the back it tells you what the ingredients are that you need, and then how you prepare it and cook it. And then it tells you how many calories it's got in it, how hot it is, if it's gluten-free, and how long it should take you to cook. And yeah, it's even got like a little, I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Is it gonna focus? It's like a little rip-off tab at the top, so you can take this shopping with you. It's got all the ingredients that you'd need. So you can just take that with you, get all your ingredients, and obviously bring those back. You can also pick the serving sizes as well of like what you would need. So I picked 2 to 3, and I think there's a 4+ of like how many people you feed in. So that's the first one, Thai green curry. I've got Thai basil pork. I've got Santa Fe chicken salad. And I have Szechuan dandan noodles. So I'm really looking forward to them, because I thought I'd try something different, something that I don't normally, or wouldn't normally use. So these are how they come in the box. Like the little ingredients and stuff. So it says, get ready to cook up a storm. See if I can just open. So this one is for the Thai green curry, so I'll just open it up and then show you what it is. So try not to drop these out. So these are how it comes. So and it gives you the expiration dates of when you can use it, and these are, you don't need to use these until March 2020, so you could save them. So like for example, the Thai green curry, it's Thai green ganache, Thai green paste, and then garlic coconut paste. So that's really like handy dandy, you know, making it easy to cook something a bit different. So then we've got the Thai basil pork, the Santa Fe salad, and this one is the dandan noodles. And then there's just like a little normal little leaflet that you would get in there for like a wine club. So at the bottom of the box, whoops, it just says, did you know you can pick which meals go in each box you receive? Just visit your SimplyCook account and edit your next box, which I have already picked what I want for the next box. But I've gone more for like a barbecue-y Texan sort of vibe in my next box. These ones are quite oriental sort of meals. So that is my box, and even for just like the first box only being £1, it's well worth it. I believe it goes to £9.99 after, but that includes your postage as well. Like I say, you can pick weekly or monthly for that, which to me, even £9.99 is not a bad price. You'd spend like, what, a couple of quid on like a jar of sauce. So to get something that's healthier and a bit, you know, better for you, you know, I don't mind paying a tenner for 4 meals, especially because I get to try something different. So yeah, I really do like this box, and you know, I'm looking forward to preparing them and seeing like how I get on. But put a comment down below if you'd like to see me actually cooking one of these recipes to see how easy it actually is. But yeah, if you really like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you want to see me prepare one of these meals, or if you want to know anything about the box. And yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. I always forget that bit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you'll get notifications every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!